Adventures, and I'm back on the next adventure. I've been driving for the last almost 10 hours trying to get to this place. It's getting dark. It's 8:42, and I can tell you I love this place. I'm on the middle of the Pico right now. Places where I regular go, you know, there's not first camping, wild camping, primitive, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to a different area right now. I'm trying to drive different area, trying to see if I can find another place. And it's not that far, but hopefully we can make this happen. I'm pretty sure that probably I can get something for tomorrow, but I was hoping to get something, you know, stay where I'm going to stay a week. Find it tonight. That way I can find a place tonight and I don't have to move back and forth, you know, stuff like that. Also, this is a bear country, so it's we have to be a little bit careful, you know, take precautions, you know, and stuff like that. I like to do that kind of stuff, you know, during the day, not during the night, trying to find the best spot or the best place that I can find. So don't go anywhere, stay with me. Finger crossed that we can find a place to stay and set up camp for tonight. As you can see, this view, it's amazing. Hopefully you guys can see it. These mountains, it's beautiful. Let's see if we can find something. Oh boy. Please, let's not get stuck in here. This is where I stayed last night, and this is where we stay in this trip. I just love these trees. Now let's go in, let's start cooking some breakfast so that we can go explore. So we found this rock to climb and rappel. It doesn't look that big, but it's kind of scary. I mean, once you get up there, it is. I can tell you that. So we have to hike on the other side, go around, climb, and then rappel. So let's see how that works. Hopefully I don't die. If I die, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Safety first. This is the satellite that I use, and I just take it with me. Now that we take the pictures, now let's go back. I don't want to do this. Basically halfway, so I was thinking to go this way, but somebody says that we need to go that way, and they changed their mind once I got here. It's like, okay. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd dead, along with the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my
couldn't believe what I've become. Revolutionary.
So we survived. As you guys can see, we didn't die, but we're here. So now, this is the part that you regular don't see on the videos. It's like we still have to go up there and get our stuff, get our gear. But what we are gonna do, we are gonna take a beverage that sounds like this. You guys know what I mean. We're just gonna take it up there, take a break, enjoy the view, and then get our gear and then come back. So let me show you the view. Can you guys hear? I'm not tired. I'm not tired, sure. This is just the elevation, you know. Now we need to hurry because now we're going to now we are gonna go hike, and we are going to hot springs. So don't go anywhere. I still have more to show you. See, I was rappelling about 45 minutes ago. Now we're going backpacking, and I'm gonna take you to hot springs. Woo! Let's go. So this is how we started the hike. It's gonna be under the sun. There's no sun. But actually, temperatures are really good though. It was 69, and as we go up in elevation change, temperatures will drop. Look at that view. I'm not sure if you guys can hear, but that's the creek. You guys can hear the water. And this right here is like good picture. Let's see if there's any fish. Come on, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy. So you know guys, when people ask me, why do I drive so many hours for this kind of stuff? Here I am enjoying the hot springs with this amazing view, these trees, this water. This place is just amazing. Everything about this place, it feels magical. You guys need to come and visit. You won't regret it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I have so much fun in this adventure, and I cannot wait to come back to these mountains and keep exploring. So if you would like to see more of this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next adventure.